Okay, so today we are going to go through Purchase Report Applet. So Purchase Report Applet, basically Purchase Report Applet is just a summary of all the purchase invoice and purchase return document that's made throughout the period of time based on your filtering. So you can filter by company, brand, supplier, item code, item category, and so on. So it's just a report applet for you to check your reporting for purchase side. So I'll go directly to the applet. So basically in the Purchase Report Applet, you can click on these three lines, which is the filter button. So from here you need to choose like which branch are you filtering for, or you only want to see for a specific company, you can filter for company or specific location. Then you can search for a specific item code that is so purchase as well. Then from what period of time, or from which month to which month, then or purchase from which supplier, what kind of item type, whether it's a basic item, group item, bundle, and so on and so forth. Then what is calculated by, and your item categories. You can filter by what item categories that is purchased. Then from there, after you click search, then you'll generate this report. Then in the report, it will show your company, branch, location, all the information mentioned, then the amount as well. So from here, all reporting, you can do the pivot table yourself. So if you want to group by anything, you can just pull the thing out, then you'll group by the branch if you pull the branch out, or you can pull like by supplier, then you'll group by supplier, what's the total supplier value, and so on. Then you can pull out item and other stuff as well. So other than that, you can export to PDF, or you can export to Excel, or you can export as a printable as well. But the printable is similar to the PDF format. I think that's basically it for the Purchase Report Applet. Any questions? If no questions, I think we can end the record. Thank you.